Dear friends, thanks for the opportunity. I appreciate your time for watching this video. Today, my topic is on why you need online marketing training. Yes, I said why you need online marketing training. Whether you are an entrepreneur or you are in business or you are even a salary earner, we all need online marketing training. Why did I say so? The fact is that we all have something to sell. If you are not marketing products and services, you have yourself to market. There are people that are into business and they just feel that it is not necessary, that they can just employ people to design their website, build a website for them. But the truth must be told. If you don't understand how the internet works, it's difficult to have a successful website. Yes, you can employ people, but how do you know they are good? How do you know they can deliver? They can give you what you desire. And that is one aspect people are missing. But if you understand how the internet works, it is not compulsory you design your website yourself. You can, if you understand how it works, you can supervise the person that will design the website. You can interview several website designers to know the ones that can actually deliver. The reason why I picked on this topic is based on the videos that I have shared with my friends. Several questions have come. Some people have asked me that, okay, do I design a website? Can I design a website for them? Some have told me that, okay, by the time they design their website, they will invite me to, they will request my service to optimize it for them. And that makes me to start thinking that I should just come up with a video why I will explain briefly why every one of us needs to understand how the internet works. I am sure we all agree that every business must be on the internet. Whether you are online, if you are not online, if you want your business to continue to be relevant to your targeted audience, you must be online. And I will try and give some illustration. Yes, over 10 years ago, when I focused then on online marketing training and consultation, one of my clients then, and I'm sure it will not be against my mentioning them, is the MD of Realty Point Limited. After I presented after I presented my online marketing training and I was given the opportunity to train some of the staff on how the internet can help them to build a successful online business. This is tight schedule. He was involved in that training. He attended the training from beginning to the end. And that training helped him to understand how the internet works. Their first online marketing training, which I was involved, I was part of those that designed that website, NigerianRealEstateHub.com. Today is still one of the most informative websites in Nigeria today when we talk of the niche, real estate. And when you go to Google to search for information, their website is one of the websites that Google displays at the top. And what helped, I believe, what helped the company, because all after that website, they rework all their websites, and all their websites are generating huge traffic. Even today, before coming up with this presentation, I visited some of the websites and they are all doing well online. My belief is because the managing director, from his tight schedule, attended my online training for his staff, and that knowledge helps him to supervise them effectively. And that is why today, after several years, that knowledge is paying off. So I believe you see the reason why I advise that it is a must in order to sell something successfully online. Whether you are selling your personality, you are marketing your products, if you are online, and online marketing training is important. The other question is, if you decide to go for online marketing training, it is important to screen your facilitator, the person that will take you on the training. Is the person practicalizing what he is teaching you? I can confidently tell you that most internet marketers or internet marketing trainers or facilitators in Nigeria, they teach theory. Most of them, they are not practicalizing it. Yes, they can explain how the search engine works from morning till evening, but if you verify from their website, you will see that they are just teaching theory. And that is the reason most people that come to that recognition that they need training, after the training, you still see that they are still not doing well online. Yes, I am a health and wealth coach. I market my products and services online. And for those that know me very well, they know I'm a KD distributor. And when I market my training, I try to market my training by showing people what I have done. I try to show testimonies of people that have gone through my training, what they are doing. Though now I am not as active. I have not been as active as I was before when it comes to online marketing training. But now I have decided to put more effort into the online marketing training, because I observe that most people that claim to be guru, they are actually making money purely from the training. They are not practicalizing it. My training, for you to know if I understand what I am doing, you can visit my website, nigeriansuccess.com. When it comes to KD business, not just in Nigeria, all over the world, just allow me to plug a bit. There is no website all over the world from the websites that are marketing KD Healthcare that is attracting huge traffic like my website, or as informative like my website. That is one of my evidence that to show you that I understand how the internet works. I understand how the search engine works. People that also know me, they know that I also import quantum resonance magnetic analyzer machine, which is for body health checkup, body health checks. How did I get into this business? The company manufacturing the quantum resonance magnetic analyzer, they are in China. They saw my website and they could see that if they partner with me, they'll be able to market that product to Nigerians. And yes, they have to play their rules in order to get me into the business, But today, because I generate consistent traffic for them, marketing that products in Nigeria, the end of the company, even he told me during the COVID in Nigeria then, that in Africa, I'm the only person that is still ordering for their machines. That is to let you know the power of that knowledge which I put into my website. And usually, I don't use paid adverts. My website is being found usually from the search engine. As of today, the content on my website is over 80 articles, and they are all optimized and severally every day I get calls here from my website for inquiries. There are even some of my colleagues in KD that they they confess to me that they use the knowledge on my website to refresh their memory or to understand more on how the KD business works. Apart from that, you will notice about 2 years ago, I got the award as the most outstanding herbal health consultant in Africa. It is just from this website again. And I believe other awards will surely come. I've been invited on radio, newspapers for interviews on entrepreneurship. Most of the journalists, usually it is through this website that they get to meet me. So for today, I just want to encourage every one of us that whether you design your website yourself or you are going to get the service of someone to do it for you, having that basic knowledge of how the internet works is going to fast track the success of your website, and it's going to save you from a lot of mistakes and losing a lot of money. So I hope that this brief information is helpful. I also encourage you to subscribe to our channel so you can continue to learn from us. Thank you for listening.